Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I am just going to be, or maybe even this weekend, basically I'm just sharing you guys and showing you all the productive things I plan on doing, and I thought I would take you guys along. There's some things I want to get done, so yeah, just stay along and hopefully this motivates you guys if you're looking to have a productive weekend. And let's go. I've already edited a video, I've had my breakfast, and now I need to get dressed, and Elizabeth should be up shortly.
It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. bunch of times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby, you got my...
Alrighty, so it is the end of Saturday night. Life got a little crazy and I really didn't have a productive afternoon because I went out, got groceries. I mean, it was a productive afternoon, but I just didn't film it. Well, filmed it. But for a separate video, I vlogged it. So, I got groceries and what else did I do? Oh, picked up some more baby stuff. I also wrapped presents, which are over here. Oh, I just forgot to film it. So, I did do some stuff, but I think I'm gonna call it a night for this section, and then Sunday I'm hoping to get a lot of stuff done and have you guys follow around. So, see you guys tomorrow.
It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Just switched over the laundry. I just switched over the laundry and it is probably maybe 6:45. So oh my goodness. Elizabeth should be up in like 15 to 45 minutes. So I am going to get my breakfast. It's typically what I do on my morning off. I will typically set an alarm, but I haven't slept well the last couple of nights and I just wanted a good night's sleep. So I didn't set my alarm. I woke up on my own, which is fantastic. I just played on my phone, checked things, and yeah, went to the bathroom, came down here. Now I'm gonna drink some water and have some breakfast.
Be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. Should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
Alrighty, so sorry if it looks like my face looks kind of weird, but Elizabeth just did my makeup and then I just washed it off because it was a lot. But we're just about to have dinner. I bought her some new plates from this Real Canadian Superstore, or the Superstore, if, I don't know. Everybody I know just calls it Superstore. I'm just having a simple dinner. I got home and the battery on this was dead. It was actually on all the way to the city, so I couldn't even vlog once I got there. But now we're gonna have some dinner and then we'll hang out again in the evening. But basically I had my OB appointment. I came home, did a little bit of shopping and came home, and yeah, now we're having some dinner, and then I'll clean up and we'll play and then it'll be bedtime. Alrighty, I think I'm going to end it here. I'm just tidying up from the night. I got my jammies on. Elizabeth is currently listening to Witch Doctor upstairs and dancing. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm definitely scared to see how it turns out because I feel like I didn't vlog too much. But I did pick up the camera throughout the day and I showed you guys my meals. So, or at least Elizabeth's, I guess. So I feel like it was somewhat of a productive video. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.